Hey everybody, I'm Renee from Ohio State University Extension, and I work with the Expanded Food and Nutrition Education Program. And today I am joined by my cousins, Izzy and Maddie, and they are going to help me make some peanut butter energy bites. These are a great treat for breakfast or snack, and they're perfect for little ones to help make in the kitchen. So you girls ready to make something delicious and get a little cookie?
Yeah!
All right, so I got it on my phone is where I have the recipe, okay? So we're gonna put some peanut butter in it. Yeah, so we got peanut butter.
Yep, peanut butter.
Yeah, and we're gonna put some honey in it.
Honey.
Honey.
In it.
Yeah.
Honey.
Take turns. We're gonna put, this is powdered milk. Powdered milk. Okay, and then we're gonna use some oatmeal.
Oatmeal.
And some Rice Krispies. Rice Krispies.
We never had that before.
You never had Rice Krispies before?
Now what we're doing first.
Okay, well, we have to measure all these ingredients and mix them in this bowl.
Okay.
All right, so we want to tell everybody at home, did you guys wash your hands?
Yeah.
Yeah? Very
I
good.
washed my hands because did you, Maddie? Yeah.
That's good. We have to wash our hands because if we don't wash our hands, then there can be germs in our food, and that's not cool because germs can make us sick, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so let's start.
Okay.
Well, I gotta get in here. Yeah, we're gonna measure.
No, that's in the way. If you're gonna get cut with that knife, it's very sharp. Yeah, it is.
Knives can be sharp, but guess what? This is a butter knife, so this one's not very sharp. A butter knife. Okay, so we're gonna put, and we're gonna put that away from you guys, just to be safe. Half a cup of peanut butter. Okay. So hold on. So see, we have this one measuring cup.
Yeah.
We're gonna put it down to a half. Okay. Yeah, you can fit your hand in there, and then that's how we push it out. Uh-oh. Thought it was stuck in there.
It wasn't stuck.
It wasn't stuck?
No.
All right, so I'll do this. That way you guys aren't playing with a knife, okay?
Yeah. Now, you'll get hurt and
You might, huh? Yeah, we don't want that to happen. We gotta be safe. We're gonna put this in here so we can get some nice peanut butter, which is a great source of protein for my adult viewers. And it's a plant source of protein, which means it doesn't have any of the saturated fats, and we get a little bit of fiber from this.
Are we going to eat it after?
You are. You guys get to be my taste testers.
Oh, that's so cool.
That's cool.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm going to push it.
Yep, you're going to get to do the honey. All right, we got to do it over here.
Oh,
Okay, so push it. Push. Push, push, push.
It can't even go out.
Yeah, push, push real hard. Push it. Okay, okay, okay. Ah, this is a brand new thing of honey. Okay. So let me hold on. We gotta see how much we need, right? So we need half a cup of honey. Now that's gonna be super sticky, so you be careful. Okay.
Is that sticky?
Yeah, honey's sticky. Whoop, 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 whoop.
Okay, that's a lot of honey. Bees can come in your house and get the honey.
They can, huh? Because bees make honey.
Oh. Yeah.
All right, so you gotta pour that in there. Watch your fingers.
What? So it looks like I'm gonna mix it.
We're not gonna mix it yet.
Okay, now what? I'm gonna do this.
You're gonna do that one?
Yeah.
All right. Ooh, okay. We're gonna sling honey everywhere.
We don't want to.
No more honey.
We don't want to put honey on ourselves.
No, we don't want too much honey, because honey is a form of sugar. That's why it's so sweet. And too much sugar is not.
Now we're doing this.
I think so. Let's see how much.
I want to play. And next we have So
Alright, so we need 2 cups of this.
okay.
Yeah, so this is what we're going to measure it in.
Okay.
Okay?
Now we're going to do this.
Yeah, so hold on. We got to use up the one that's almost empty first, okay?
This.
Yep, it's Maddie's turn. You did the honey, so Maddie's going to do this, okay?
Maddie is building.
That's okay. That's a good thing about learning in the kitchen because we can make a mess. And it's okay. Hold on. We got to fill it up. She's got to do all of this, okay? Then you're going to do all of these. You're going to do that. Alright, don't get too much of it. Alright, here, we're gonna, yeah, you guys, this is gonna give you a lot of energy. Alright, calm down now, Iz. Alright, so there's 1 cup, dump that in. That's okay. So we gotta do 1 more cup, because 1 plus 1 is 2. Oop, oop. Are we good?
Yep.
All right. Good job. So we'll put that over here out of the way.
And now I need to do this.
Yep, now we're going to do the oats. You just leave that right there.
I opened it with my hands.
That's good. I'm glad you didn't use your mouth this time. All right.
Can I see what it looks like in it? Okay, it looks like this.
Okay. So we're going to use some oatmeal. This is going to be a great source of fiber and whole grains. So we just need a cup of that. Good job. All right.
Okay, now I want to
Hold on.
spill.
Let my thumb free. All right, put it in there. Awesome. All right, and lastly, we need half a cup of cereal.
Now I do the cereal.
And you do the cereal. So there's our half a cup measuring cup.
Yeah, I'm going to dump the cereal.
Okay, put the lid back on there for me.
Okay.
You can't dump the cereal with a closed bag. Go be there. Good job. All right, so here's what you're going to do. I want you, instead of pouring it, stick it in here and do that. Okay? You can get a little bit more in there. Let me put it down to your level. Yep, that's perfect. Good job.
I just spilled it.
That's okay. Good job.
So
All right.
don't get everything.
And then we got some Rice Krispies in here, which are also a good source of grains.
Where's the Rice Krispies?
Right there. Well, there's no Rice Krispie treats. That's something we gotta make. And then the powdered milk is gonna give us a dairy. So we're going to mix this all
Are we gonna
together.
make this? Are we gonna make it?
I'm trying to get a head start for you guys, okay?
I'm really
You're gonna clean up the mess.
Yeah.
So this gives us 3 out of our 5 food groups, which makes it a perfect choice for breakfast or a snack. Because an ideal snack or breakfast, meaning a good breakfast or snack, has 3 out of the 5 food groups. And we do need the honey in there, even though it is a source of sugar, because that kind of helps give it a little bit extra sweetness and help everything stick together. All right, so guess what? You girls ready to get your hands dirty?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, let me move my phone for this one.
Get your louder.
Yeah. All right, so you guys can take turns. You're going to try to mix it with your hands, okay?
That was easy one.
All right. Let's get a little closer to you. You ready?
Yeah.
You'll be okay.
It feels so squishy.
It feels fishy?
It's so gooey. The honey's sticking to me.
Yeah.
Can I do it now?
You're up next. All right, let's kind of get off that finger. Get it off the fingers.
Yeah, I didn't know. It's Maddie's turn.
Okay, it's Maddie's turn.
My hands don't feel weird in me.
Now we're going to feel a little weird. Look, now I'm even
No,
making a mess.
it's messy inside.
Okay. Does it feel weird? Yeah.
He never does that.
That's okay. Guess what? We can wash our hands again.
Again. Even
That's okay. That's what we have a dog for. Okay. So once we get this all mixed up, we're gonna form it into balls, and you can eat them right away, or you can chill them. Meaning we're gonna stick them in the refrigerator. So let's see. We gotta do some more mixing.
I'm gonna mix it. Your hand's gonna be all dirty.
Your hands are all dirty.
Can you empty it now?
All right, hold on. I'm gonna try to get some of this really mixed up, girls. Okay.
Can we do it together?
Together.
Yeah.
It's not a big enough bowl. I should grab the bigger bowl.
Now I want to do it again.
You want to do it again?
Then it's my turn again.
Well, let's see if I can get this nice and mixed. Okay?
Okay, now I'm going to do it. It feels so tickly.
It's tickly.
This is a mess.
That's all right. We can make messes in the kitchen.
Or on the table.
Yes. As long as we clean them up.
Yeah. Because this table's a mess right now.
It's okay. And then look, we got a little ball.
Let me get down. Let me go down. Let me go all the way down. Now yes. Get this thing all over.
You want to make a ball? Okay.
I made a ball too.
Your mom is going to love me with how sticky you guys are.
Take this much.
That's going to be a big ball. It's kind of crumbly, huh?
It's kind of great.
You did make one.
Yeah, but it keeps falling apart.
That's okay. It works better. Look, we'll make giant ones. How's that?
Yeah.
You want to make giant ones?
I'm staying on the chair. I can't see.
You can't
So itchy. I can't even itch. We have new chairs.
You got an itch on your face?
It's itchy.
It's itchy. Uh-oh. Here, we'll go like this. Okay? So we're just going to form them into balls, and eventually you'll have some delicious treats like this. Here, why don't you girls try them, and then we'll see if we should make some more. What do you think?
Yummy.
You want to try some?
I can eat the peanut butter.
What do you think? Is that good?
It tastes like it's not ready yet.
It tastes like it's not ready yet.
It still tastes so
Alright, well thank you for joining us today as we created a mess but a delicious breakfast at the same
we
time.
still have